Welcome friends. In last session we have completed organization structure of fixed asset. Now today's session is related to integration with general ledger. Let's start with configuration. Go to SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, asset accounting, integration with general ledger. So first step is define how depreciation area post to general ledger. Go to define. So these are the two depreciation area which we have selected during popping. So what is the indicator 0 and 1? So 0 means area does not post to GL. 1 means area post to real time. Second, area post APC and depreciation on the periodically basis. Suppose if I am going to run, then only it go to GL, else it will not move to GL. Third, area post depreciation only. So if I select this one, then only depreciation get posted in GL, nothing else. Then area post APC directly and depreciation periodically. Then area post APC only. So we selected only 1 or 0. So 1 is related to real time posting and 0 is no posting. Come back. Now go to assign GL code. So this is our chart of account. Now this is account determination. Suppose we have selected computer. Now what are the balance sheet account? So this is the main thing for account assignment where all accounting gets flow. So this is acquisition account. Acquisition account means the fixed asset cost and the acquisition down payment. Suppose we do some advance and all like that. So this is the account. Generally we take all the account in this, and this is a contra account for acquisition value moving here and there. Then this is a clearing account. Then these are related to retirement, loss made on sale, clearing account for revenue, gain from asset sale, loss from sale, and clear revenue sale of affiliation to company. And this is a revaluation account. Suppose we are going to revaluate the asset, then this account is going to be used. Then cost portion, balance sheet account. So these are the account setting which we can do. Now to depreciation. So depreciation, accumulated depreciation. So expense account for ordinary depreciation. If suppose my asset is going to 0, but still depreciation is going to be charged, then this account get used. Revenue from write up, special depreciation. In depreciation key there is a one method where we assign the special depreciation, then it will charge from here. Then there is an unplanned depreciation. So these are the accounts which are using. Go back. Now third is specify document type in posting depreciation. So this is the specify document type, like addition, account assignment, account determination. So what does it mean? It means the system takes document type on the basis of account determination. Not document type, posting. See, asset posting key, then GL account posting. Sorry. So this is the additional account which we can assign. But we have to mention that on which basis we want to post. So we don't want to assign posting key account. So here it mentioned it will take through account determination. Now next is specify interval and posting rule. Now go to post depreciation to general ledger, then specify interval and posting rule. So our company code is 5010. then go and select posting rule. So what is that posting rule? Posting rule means how my depreciation get calculated. So here normally we use monthly. Then some companies want to use quarterly, semi-annual, annual posting. Semi-annual means 6 months, bi-monthly means 15 days. So this is like that. So we can set the parameter for posting rule also. But generally we are using monthly. Now go to activate additional account assignment object, then specify account assignment and assignment object. So that is a that this is optional, not must requirement. So additional account assignment. This is majorly for controlling purpose. Like activate account assignment object. Go to that. So what is that? Like if you set active, then system will maintaining the information like internal order, investment order, functional area. So these are the, like suppose I want to maintain the asset from the WBS also. So I have to tick the here. So this is a balance sheet segment. Suppose I have mark tick here, and once my asset get capitalized, then I am not able to change in this area. And this is agreement tab. So what is meaning? This data is come from some other module, and no one able to make changes during the entry. So this is the meaning of agreement. Now, second is last one is specify account assignment type to assign object. So what is that? Let me show you. Go to depreciation area, select your depreciation area, and then account assignment object. So this is the controlling, how controlling. Suppose I want to post the entries on cost center. So here I take cost center, and transaction I take star, that all transaction, and then what I want to assign this APC value during APC value posting or depreciation. So suppose cost center is not related to APC, fixed asset value. So we have to select depreciation run. So now whenever depreciation is going to be run, the cost object cost center will move in GL. So this is the function. For more detail, we can select this one. So, but this is not used for us because we are not maintaining the controlling area depreciation key. So, no need to assign this one. So, this is the all today session which we have completed. Done. This is 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 done. So that's all for today. We have completed integration with GL also. Thank you. Thanks for watching.